Did you know that you can become fluent in English, even if you have nobody to practice with? Yes, you can speak English every day, become confident, sound natural without a partner. And most English learners don't know this secret. Today, I will tell you a story about a boy who found this secret by accident, and it changed his English forever. This is Leo. Leo wanted to speak English fluently. He watched videos. He memorized vocabulary. He knew grammar. But when he tried to speak, his mouth felt slow. His mind felt empty. His tongue didn't move. He said, "Why is speaking so hard?" Leo felt frustrated. He thought, maybe I cannot learn English. Maybe I am too old. Maybe I am too shy. But the truth was this: Leo didn't speak enough. His muscles were not trained. One day, Leo was walking to school. He was listening to a short English dialogue on his phone. A. How are you today? B. I'm good. How about you? Suddenly, Leo whispered the line. I'm good. How about you? He didn't think. He just repeated it. Then he repeated again and again. Suddenly, his mouth was moving easily. His voice sounded natural. For the first time, it felt easy. That day, Leo realized something powerful. He could practice speaking by repeating what he heard. He didn't need a partner. He didn't need a teacher. He didn't need perfect grammar. He only needed one thing: shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence and speak at the same time, like an echo, like a shadow. Leo started to practice shadowing every day. He listened to easy dialogues at the cafe, at the supermarket, at work. With friends, he repeated every sentence, slowly first, then faster, then naturally. After 1 week, his pronunciation improved. After 2 weeks, he felt more confident. After 1 month, he could speak without thinking. People asked him, "Leo, how did your English get so good so fast?" He smiled and said, "I practice with myself." Here is the secret. When you shadow, you train your mouth, your tongue, your voice, your brain, all at the same time. It's like going to the gym, but for speaking. You speak English every day, even if nobody is around. You use the sentences from stories, from dialogues, from this channel. The more you repeat, the more natural you become. And the best part, you don't need perfect English. You just need to practice consistently. Let's try a small exercise together. Listen and repeat after me. Don't worry about mistakes. Just copy the sound. Sentence 1. How's your day going? Sentence 2. I'm practicing English every day. Sentence 3. I'm getting better little by little. Sentence 4. Speaking feels easier for me now. Excellent. You just practice shadowing. Remember, fluent English is not about talent. It's not about living in another country. It's not about having a perfect teacher. It's about speaking a little bit every day, training your mouth, repeating natural sentences, using stories and dialogues. That's how Leo improved. And that's how you can improve too. Now you know the secret that schools never teach. You can become fluent by speaking to yourself using shadowing. And on this channel, I post new stories and dialogues that you can shadow with every day. If you want to improve your English naturally, subscribe, follow the stories, speak with me, and watch your English grow little by little, day by day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.